What's up guys, Redzel here for the Scooter Life and DIY YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you on how to open my iscooter10i fork assembly. Then I'm going to apply a new lubricant on the bearings to prolong its life. First I'm going to unscrew the preload bolt using 5mm Allen key. And next is I'm going to loosen this Allen bolt using 6mm Allen key. This bolt secures the folding mechanism, and there's one on the other side. I have to loosen this too. Then next I have to loosen this bolt, but not all the way, using 3mm Allen key. This bolt holds the secondary lock of the folding mechanism, and there's a spring in it, so I'm not going to mess it up. This method also helps you diagnose when you hear a squeaking or clicking sound when you're pushing your handlebars back and forth. I'm not going to final tighten the preload bolt yet because I still have to align the fork and the handlebars. Here I'm making sure that the handlebars is aligned with the forks and the stem is aligned with the splash guard. So now I'm satisfied with the alignment. I'm now going to tighten the secondary lock bolt. Now I'm going to install back the bolts for the folding mechanism, and I put fresh Loctite. Now I'm double checking by pushing the handlebars back and forth, and it's good. And the alignment of the handlebars and the fork is perfect. So now I'm confident to finally tighten the preload bolt. And the bolts that's holding the folding mechanism. So that's all, guys. Hope you get a little bit something from this video, and please click on the subscribe button. Thank you.